The golden dawn has spread her rays, the heavens now resound in praise. The earth exalts in jubilee, while darkness groans in agony. For he, the King with glorious strength, has crushed death's power with mighty arm. He trampled darkness underfoot and freed those who were languishing. Although enclosed beneath a stone, were seated and guarded carefully, he rose triumphant in his might, the glorious victor over death. Dissolved is all the agony and sorrow of the world below. The Lord is risen as he said, the shining angel testified. Creation of all things we pray, in this our joyful Paschal time. Defend the people whom